Enjoy the cool ocean breeze located in the prestigious gated community of Oceanside Village. This executive home is just minutes away from both the beach and river. Meticulously designed to elevate comfort with an open floor plan that seamlessly integrates the living, dining and kitchen areas. Your family will enjoy living spaces that are both elegant and functional. The gourmet kitchen is the heart of the home with beautiful white shaker cabinets, table height island, granite countertops, gas range, pantry, modern lighting and spacious eat-in area. Family room features tray ceilings and triple sliders to the patio area. Home is loaded west/high-end finishes. Plantation Shutters, Soaring Ceilings, Paver Driveway, 2.5 car garage, tile roof, hurricane shutters and more. Fourth bedroom can be used as an office/study. Resort-style amenities include a community pool, basketball, tennis and pickleball courts, kids playground and clubhouse. Close to restaurants and shopping. Lawn care included.